In terms of market, we will continue looking at the US and Europe. However, we will equally look at emerging markets such as India and especially Africa. We have a pharma business that provides the best medicine for malaria patients. We save millions of people's lives every year. We will put more investment in pharma business in Africa.
Going back to the three pillars you talked about, health, wealth, and happiness.
Yeah.
When I hear those categories, I think of discretionary spend, things that aren't necessarily essentials in a consumer's life. And this is a time when many here in Davos are worried about a global economic slowdown. What are you seeing in your businesses? I mean, if you consider your high-end luxury brands that you have in Europe, but also on the travel side with Club Med, are you seeing a change in consumer spending?
My
assessment is that this time last year, most people were optimistic about growth outlook. But in fact, the economic performance came below expectations. This year, there are plenty of pessimistic talks about the economy. I don't think we should be that pessimistic. We could eventually fare better. When it comes to consumption, we're not solely in the high-end or luxury sector. Our focus is on the middle class, which a lot of that is on tourism, sports or healthcare. There are necessities. They will be more resilient in an economic downturn.
Looking at your investment strategy more broadly, I know you are a self-proclaimed admirer of Warren Buffett. And one of Warren Buffett's biggest investment principles has always been not to bet against America. Can you say today the same thing about China?
Of course. The
Chinese economy in the short term may face some downward pressure. We are bullish about it in the long term. The reason for China's economic ascent is not that we stole something from someone. The fundamental reason is that we Chinese work really hard. China has a lot of private enterprises, so much innovation. We all work hard. I'm really happy that the drive and desire amongst Chinese people to have a better life remains intact. I fully believe in the huge potential in China. That's why our biggest investments are always in China. Warren Buffett said, "Don't bet against the US. China is forever our route."
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.